No, that's not good. No bueno.
Mike Allen's diesel, your international crane is good to go.
I guess the wood part of this is gonna be pretty easy. And nothing but time. Thing's beefy, bro. Yeah, a few more of those, we'll be in business. Whoa! If you face plant at the end of the day, I would have had to laugh so hard. You're a landscaper and you don't know how to load a wheelbarrow? Oh yeah! Woo, baby! Good enough. He says the brakes are great. We're going. Good morning, guys. Michael Work Hard, Play Harder here. Dropped my crane off this morning, trying to get a sticker on that, so hopefully that'll work out. I just sent Griffin off. He's going to get the old electric motor from the place for my crane. They took it all apart, and it was no good, but I gotta go pay them for their time and grab the motor back. And then I'm either gonna go grab my other dump truck from my plow contract, or we're gonna go do, I got a little tiny job. I was talking about this guy I do a bunch of handiwork for, so it's a job for him. I gotta go remove some old flower beds or garden beds they made out of 2x12s. So I gotta take the wood and haul that away, and then the dirt we gotta haul and throw in the wood somewhere. It's 10 o'clock now. If he gets back within 15 minutes to a half hour, I'll probably go grab my other dump. If he gets back later than that, then we'll just go do the flower beds now. If we get done super early today, I would love to get these toolboxes on. I gotta get these mounted on my crane, but I don't see getting the dump truck picked up, getting the flower beds moved, picking my crane back up from the inspection if it's all set, and then still having time, but we'll see. If that works out, that'd be great. All right, I'm gonna get some gear loaded up. I think we should only need wheelbarrow, shovels, rake maybe, but that's about it. We're not doing the other stuff. I quoted a bunch of stuff if you saw the other video, but we're just doing a little bit for now. A little chilly right now. It's like, I don't know, 30, 35 maybe. But it's supposed to get up close to 50 today, so it's gonna be beautiful. Maybe we'll cancel putting those toolboxes on later and clean this shop. All right, I was just on the phone with the mechanic. He called. He said, truck looks pretty decent. He wanted to make sure I was aware of the oil leak. Said, yeah, I know there's an oil leak. It leaks oil everywhere. But he's gonna check to make sure the transmission has fluid in it, because I don't think I've really ever checked that. And he said front end's good, brakes are good. One of the tires has some chunks missing out of it, but he's not gonna worry too much about that. I think he said it was pretty much good. So I told him I got another one of those. I got the dump I gotta bring down. Kick ass. I patched the pavement out front, so these are just covered in asphalt still. I think they need a little shoveling, clean them off. Telling you. Should have more shovels. What is he doing? It's been a long while. Been a long while. Should I bring the leaf blower? If I bring it, we're gonna have to use it. If I don't bring it, we don't have to use it. Right? Right. Jeez, Griffin's taking this long. Maybe I'll go start this dump, see if she still runs. Bet you the batteries are dead. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, that's a good sign. I mean, all the acorns aren't a good sign, but... Really? Wow! Just started right up. Well, that's amazing. That is truly amazing. Because I got charged 3 times, but they only put 1 back.
Alright, that's good.
No, that's not good. I was just driving one day with your dad in the passenger seat, and he's like touching down the seat. I was like, don't touch that, it's mouth shut. He's like, well, where'd you come from? We both look up like, oh no, they're up there. No bueno. Alright. There's a lot in there. Ah, yeah, a lot of goodies. Yeah, I don't know if you want to just start cleaning up, rolling up straps, or start with that little table. Whatever is, everything shouldn't be there. You'll probably know where some of the stuff goes, like power tools. That saw goes on the back shelf over there. And start cleaning this place up a little bit. It's gonna be nice being legal with the crane.
Mike, Allen's Diesel, your international crane is good to go. Swap it out with the next one if you need to. Thank you.
All right, that's what I like to hear. What's that one need? I don't know. I'll pull it over here. We'll take a look quick. Woo! Let's get this shit going. International's all set. That's a beauty. Go swap out some trucks. Ah, so I don't even need you. Yeah. Alright, so you can stay here cleaning. Alright, crane's got a sticker. Yeah, that's a good feeling. Hopefully dump truck gets a sticker just as easy. Alright, let's go deal with those flower beds. Alright, just pulling up on site. Let's see what we're in for here. So we're gonna take this flower box out. We're hauling the wood back. And then all the dirt and stuff. See that red sled in the woods? Yep. It's all going over there with the wheelbarrow. So yeah, same thing here. Take those out. Bing, bang, boom. I think we're leaving the gravel. So not bad. This tree is probably coming out. I priced that too, but not right now. This one comes off pretty easy. I guess the wood part of this is going to be pretty easy. I'll give you a hand. Hold on. Better. Alright. Yeah, isn't this nicer? And you're walking backwards, but... I don't know if we'll need it, but nice to have. Oh yeah, those posts are in there. Yeah, I don't think you need the hammer. Wow. Ugh. Wow. Guess I gotta pull it backwards. Oh, come on. Not bad. And nothing but time.
I don't know. I think it's almost worth the struggle to get the extra like 30 scoops.
I don't know.
I'll take it from you.
Alright, sounds good to me. Oh yeah, right through! Rookie. Should have waited till after to eat. Whose turn? Your turn? Cool. Glad to hear it. Should have just put all that wood at the bottom of the pile. It was almost soil, a couple more years.
Staying in there.
Jesus.
Dirt.
It's a mud hole. Where's it end? On your side.
That's over. It's gonna.
The end right here?
Oh
yeah. Alright. So,
Look at your
if I can find my end. Hold on, let me get
Oh, this is good.
get under this. Alright, you under it? Ah!
Hold on.
Thing's beefy, bro. Thing's got some beef to it. Alright! Alright, that worked okay, I guess. Not bad.
If we can find the corners of these ones, we can pick them up.
Yeah, that was only a quarter of that pile. I barely lifted it. Yeah, a few more of those, we'll be in business. Yes, sir.
How you going?
Yeah, now what?
No,
Whatever, I guess it's flopped off it. Got the roots, now we can pick it up, sort of. Put this at the bottom. Alright. Alright. Jesus! This thing's heavy, man! Holy! Alright, it's breaking apart. Grab what you can. That's what you got? You didn't get much. Sure. Beautiful. Flower beds are gone. Not bad. That one gone, that one gone. Looks great. Looks great. Whoa! If you faceplant at the end of the day, I would have had to laugh so hard. Sure. Okay. You're a landscaper and you don't know how to load a wheelbarrow?
Huh?
You're a landscaper and you don't know how to load a wheelbarrow?
Wait, did I just load it?
Huh? No, and you flip it over
What's
and you grab these as handles.
It's in there.
You'll have to watch this video when I make it. I'll show you how.
Alright, see.
I got half of it in there. Radio. Oh, make sure I don't forget anything. Yeah, not bad at all. A little grass seed. Be like a yard. I think he wants to do a fire pit over there or something. Ah, train track truck. Cool. Alright. Looks like we got it. Alright, back off to the shop. Alright, change of plans. We're heading to Seabrook. I'm gonna go pick up my other plow truck, my little dump, and get it back over to the shop because I think it's done snowing for the year. And maybe I'll get some rocker panels welded on it one of these days. But we'll see you over there when we grab my other truck. Alright, just getting over to where my other dump is. Let's go see if she starts. yeah. Woo, baby. She started. Nice. You guys really haven't seen the old girl. Oh, Chevy. She's a pretty good truck. I bought it last year just as a backup. It seems to work fine. 15 amp. Let's see if the plow will go up. Gonna raise it up all the way. Oh, it is. Okay. Should be good, I guess. Alright, not bad. Cool. Looks good. Alright. Yeah, I still got a decent amount of salt left. Not a bunch, but more than I know what to do with. It sucks. It's like $200 worth of salt. Get to the stop sign, take a right, and follow that all the way straight until we come to the lights. And then we'll take a right at the set of lights and you'll be on the highway. Good enough. He says the brakes are great. We're going. All right, got dump truck back over to the shop. Crane all put away. Truck unloaded. So I'm gonna head over, grab Kylie, grab Aiden. Oh, excuse me. Gonna head over, grab Kylie, grab Aiden, and then I'm heading home. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for sticking with me.
Thank you for